Hello everybody and welcome to Blue Mountain Living. I am your host Jason. Here I am in a new subdivision that's going in. Spring is in the air. The sound of the water runoff from the mountain heading down to beautiful Georgian Bay. Right down there. Gorgeous out here today. Some good fresh air. There's the water tunneling down, making its way. I'm making my way back up there where I live, just at the top of this subdivision, at the bottom of those ski hills. That's right, living my best life here in the Blue Mountains. I hope to see you all here soon. Ciao.